Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and we are going to do the last and final project for the Birthday Blooms Stampin' Card Club. Woo. And this video is for everyone in any of my clubs, but specifically it is made for the Birthday Blooms Stampin' Club. And we are going to make a little box, I guess, or gift bag maybe is a better term. And this is the gift bag punch board that I used to prep to make the gift bag design. So I just kind of wanted you guys to see that so that you'll know that this is available through the website. I think it's $20 and you can make all different sizes of boxes or bags, and it's just kind of a cool little treat. So to do this, we're going to use, I made a medium box, so this is 11 inches long and I did 6 inches tall for this particular box. We're going to need a little scrap of ribbon. This is 3/4 of an inch by about 2 inches, 2.5 inches, and this is about 1/2 of an inch by, I don't know, 2 inches, and we'll cut it down. And then this is just fits along here. It's just shy of 3 inches and it's 1.5 inches tall. And the first thing we're going to do is take a punch and punch the edge of this. This is not a Stampin' Up! Punch, but it leaves a nice edge, and I wanted to have an edge on this. So in order to do this stamp, I'm just lining it up, and then I'm going to stamp off to the side because it leaves lots of little dots everywhere. Okay, oh, there's some already on here. Zoop, move those off. I'm going to take my ATG gun and I'm just going to glue this piece down on the widest part of the flap. So there's this little piece, and then there's the side piece, and then there's this body piece, and I'm putting it down on the body piece. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Birthday Blooms stamp set and I think I will use the For You if it will fit okay. And I think it will just fit. So I'm going to use my block. I'm going to get this on there semi-straight. I will use a piece of scratch paper and I'm going to stamp this in Pool Party. And I'm just going to put it kind of close to the edge. Perfect. Sorry I didn't give you all much room for that, but I think it's cute to be tight along the edge. And then I'm going to do a little notch. And I did not notch this for you guys that are in the club. You guys will need to notch this yourselves because I didn't want to take the chance of cutting off more than you need on this For You, since the tag is already pretty tiny. And then I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to kind of put them together. So I want this one to be about the same length. So I'm just going to trim this down and then I'm going to notch it too. So it doesn't matter if the line is straight or not when you're trimming it, because you're going to notch it. And then I'm taking this silver ribbon, I'm folding it in half, And I think I'm going to put it between the two pieces. Let's see how that looks. Something like that. Yeah, I think I like that. So I think what I'm going to do is use my ATG gun. I'm going to put some, you could use adhesive for this. Or you know what, maybe if you wanted to, you could even use like some fast fuse or some tear and tape. I'll get out my tear and tape because I know I'm going to need it for the bag anyway. And then I'm going to put this silver down, and then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to put a little bit more of this glue, ATG gun, tape, and then I'm going to put this down. And I don't want them to be directly over each other, so I'm just moving it so it's a little bit that way. And then I'm going to put another layer of this ATG, and I'm going to then layer this on top. Something like that. And then I thought that it would be cute if we used one of the bows. The bow paper clips. These are called bow paper clips. Imagine that. So we will take one of these. These are so cute. And hold all of these together here if I can. I know I can, I just need to get them all on there. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so now I will put our box together. And to do that, it's going to go like this. Those go in and this goes over and that. Okay, I needed to see where I still need to. Top of one, bottom of another. Okay, so I want to put a strip of ATG on the bottom of one side of these longer flaps and the top of the other longer flap. And then I also need to put it on the outside of this strip. Okay, so what I'll do first is I will take these off, and I've already kind of like folded it on the score lines. I didn't really do this one though, but this one goes in and these come out. So it looks like a little grocery set kind of. So I want to go ahead and peel this one off too. And then I'm going to, maybe I shouldn't have peeled that one off yet. I'm going to bring this over and fold it down right here so that I know that those two are on. And then I will take the two inner pieces and fold those in, and then the glue with on the outside goes down first, and then the flap with it on the inside goes down second, and those should just connect nicely. And then I like to take my bone folder and just push down on these. And if you wanted to, you could put a scalloped edge on here as well. But you can see how these fold in. Isn't that wonderful? And then we are going to put this on here with this paper clip for you. Isn't that adorable? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. And then whoever gets it, you can fill it in with some little goodies. Let's see, some washi tape would fit in there. I don't know who would like the twine, but if you're a crafter, you'd love some baker's twine. This is the thick baker's twine. If you're a planner or a crafter, you would love some washi tape, and copper is in this year. I have some copper washi tape that I need to send to a friend, and that's what this is. I could put it in this little box. I might even do that. What else could you put in here? I'm just looking around to see what I have. Oh, I have some lotion. I wonder if that would fit in. I think it would barely fit. Let's just try it and see, because that's kind of cool if that would fit. I just ordered this from Perfectly Posh. It would fit. I wouldn't be able to close it the same way, but look at that. It fits like perfect. I haven't tried this yet, but it's Tickled Pink. Juicy Sweet Cherry Vanilla. I think it has a... Oh my goodness, it smells like Juicy Sweet Cherry Vanilla. Holy schmoly. Oh my goodness, that is nice. So that could go in there. You could put some little candies in there. I mean, just about anything. It's just kind of a cute little box. Just a little treat. And it says for you, and you can angle this however you want so that you can read it and see the bow and all that good stuff. I think that's about perfect. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and happy scrapping and happy playing, and I can't wait to see what we come up with for next card month. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.